Hi, welcome to Online Algebra 1. So I wanted to reach out to you. We're going to use my Open Math, which is completely free as opposed to my math lab, which you know costs a lot of money. So you are going to have an announcement that is going to tell you, you're going to go to myopenmath.com, and when you go here, what you're going to see is register as a new student. So what you're going to want to do when you click on that, create a username, create a password, put your first and last name. If you could do your best to include the same name that is going to be in Blackboard. So whatever they use as your name in as far as the school goes. If you have a nickname, please let me know that, but try not to put the nickname in here. Your email address. If you use a personal email address, that is perfectly fine. If you want to use your school email, you can definitely do that as well. Leave clicked to notify you. And then click that you read the information. My teacher gave me a course ID. You're going to do that. And our course ID is 42522. And then our enrollment key is ASIMAO. And then you're going to hit sign up. Once you log in, so I just put myself into student view. So you're going to see exactly what you would see, not what I would see. So you're going to see all of your assignments that are due over here. And so you have some homework assignments. If you go to your course map, what that's going to be able to do is you can walk through each of the pieces. So Intro to My Open Math. And so you're going to click on that. So it's due January 27th. So if you click on that, it's going to give you an introduction as far as how to complete the work. You can print the version. One thing to be careful of when you print it is as far as whether it allows you to, if it changes the information. So kind of like my math lab. If we go back into, so then you would submit obviously when you're done. If you go back to that Algebra 1, that course map is going to allow you to go to your next homework. So you have Review 1. You're going to have the different pieces. So Chapter 1, Introduction. You're going to have video lessons, examples, and then you're going to have Homework 1-1. If you click on this right here, it'll expand it. Videos for 1-2, how to add fractions, and then you have homework associated with that. You're going to do the same thing for 1-3 and 1-4, 1-5, and then you're going to have that quiz 201A due on January 27th at midnight. So I made the due dates for this class on Sunday nights. If you have any questions with that, the late pass right now I have as 24 hours. If you have certain assignments that something happens, please reach out and we'll make sure that everything is set for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. If you run into any snags, please reach out. I really want this class to work out for all of us, and I will talk to you soon.